Is your website getting lost in the crowd? In the next few minutes, we're breaking down a proven SEO roadmap that transforms your online presence from pinpointing the right keywords to mastering on-page tweaks, building quality links, and measuring your success. Stay with us to learn how you can elevate your site to the top of the search results. In today's world, every Tom, Dick, and Harry has a website. Therefore, having a website that stands out is essential. Let's explore a proven roadmap that helps your website climb search rankings. Let's start with keyword research, the foundation of your SEO strategy. This step is all about discovering the search terms your potential customers are using. Here's how you can do it effectively. Number 1, brainstorm core topics. Begin by listing the main topics related to your business. Think about the services that you offer, such as web design, development, and SEO tips in my case. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to analyze search volumes and competition. Look for long-tail keywords that are more specific and less competitive. And finally, identify the intent behind keywords. Whether users are looking for information, comparing services, or ready to buy, this helps you create content that directly addresses their needs. By targeting the right keywords, you ensure that your content resonates with your audience and sets up a strong foundation for the rest of your SEO campaign. With your keywords in hand, the next step is on-page optimization. This is where you fine-tune your website so that both users and search engines can easily understand your content. Here's what's to focus on. Title, tags, and descriptions. Create engaging titles and clear meta descriptions that naturally include your target keywords. This not only boosts your rankings but also improves your click-through rate. Number 2, structured content with header tags. Optimize your content using header tags such as H1, H2, H3 to improve readability. This hierarchy helps search engines understand the structure and relevance of your content. Number 3, include alt text for images. Compress files for faster loading times and use descriptive file names. This enhances accessibility and boosts SEO. And finally, quality content. Ensure your content is informative, well written, and valuable. It should answer user questions, solve problems, and encourage engagement. By optimizing these elements, it helps search engines index your site more effectively, while also enhancing the user experience. Next up is link building, a crucial process where you earn hyperlinks from reputable websites. These links act as endorsements that signal your site's authority. Here's how to approach it. First of all, through guest blogging, by writing articles for industry-related sites that include a link back to your website. This not only drives traffic but also builds credibility. By creating shareable content, develop high-quality, engaging content that others naturally just want to share or even reference. Think infographics, case studies, and/or comprehensive guides. Another method is relationship building. Reach out to influencers, bloggers, and partners in your industry for collaboration opportunities. A personal touch can lead to valuable link exchanges. And finally, monitor and clean your backlinks. Regularly review your backlink profile using tools such as Ahrefs and Moz. Disallow any spammy or low-quality links that might hurt your SEO. Every quality link is like a vote of confidence for your site, so by enhancing your authority and help climb the rankings, you get more traffic, more leads, more conversions, and ultimately more money for your business. And finally, let's talk about analytics, a vital step in ensuring your SEO strategy is effective. Analytics help you understand what's working and where you need to adjust. Consider these actions. By setting up tracking tools, so by implementing Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your website's performance from traffic to user behavior. Monitor key metrics. Keep an eye on metrics such as bounce rate, time on page, and conversion rates. These indicators reveal how engaging your content is and how well it converts visitors. Analyze keyword performance. So by regularly reviewing which keywords are driving traffic and adjust your content strategy to capitalize on these insights, ultimately means that you're targeting the best keywords with the highest amount of traffic, the low amount of competition. And finally, test and refine the strategy. Experiment with different content formats like call to actions and design tweaks. Use A/B testing to determine what resonates best with your audience. By analysing these metrics, you can make informed decisions to continuously improve your SEO strategy and stay ahead of the competition. So that's our in-depth look at the SEO journey. By investing time in keyword research, fine-tuning your on-page elements, and building high-quality backlinks, as well as regularly analysing your performance, you create a robust strategy that can significantly boost your website's visibility. If you found these insights valuable, please like this video, subscribe for more actionable tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more personalised advice on SEO, web design and development, visit our website or get in touch with us directly. Thank you for watching, and here's to your online success.